gathered today to celebrate the momentous occasion, our Education Day. This special day marks a significant milestone in our school's journey, and we are thrilled to share it with all of you. As we come together to rejoice and reflect on our achievements, from academic excellence to extracurricular trips, our students have consistently demonstrated talent, dedication, and passion. So let us come together with joy in our hearts, gratitude in our spirits, to celebrate this special.
Light that illuminates our path and guide us forward. May the lightning of this lamp symbolize the dispersion of darkness and the dawn of knowledge, wisdom, and understanding. Let us pray for the success of this event and well-being of all present here. I invite our Honorable Principal Ma'am to kindly light the lamp and inaugurate this celebration.
Well done, children. Sit. This time we want to do and invite the parent of Ashrita to come onto the dais. Invite the parent of Prahilatika, Jashvita and Ashrita. Thanks for coming. Please do the lighting lamp. Please.
दीपज्योतिर् परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर् जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर् परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्
Very good afternoon, parents. Firstly, I would like to say sorry for putting it on a working day. So it's difficult to schedule during a holiday. That's the reason why we have put in the afternoon. But thank you for taking time all the way. You have come here to be part of this celebration, which is very, very important for both the inter-school sports competition, inter-school cultural competition. So all the 8 branches of Geetanjali together has participated in all this, and we competed. Children have first time participated against different schools. That really helped them to know, and it gave them confidence as well as. Thank you so much, teachers. You should give them a big round of applause. Children, you should give a big round of applause to your mommy and daddy who have been with you. Yes? If they don't know, what would you do? No need this activity, no need this competition, only you study. They didn't say that, right? No. Yes. So you should clap for them. You should utilize every opportunity. So you just simply, because we are adults, we have the authority and the right. We cannot say thank you, parents, and have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am.
First competition, picture reading competition, which was held in July 20.
And the second prize goes to Ganana.
For national level, shall we all wish them all the best? You have done, if you have cup, you will bring some cup to Pragati Nagar, Geetanjali. Yes, national. Are you prepared? When is the exam? It means? Oh, yeah, I know you are so prepared. That's so excited. So we need not remind, right? No reminders. Kept your hall ticket well, right? So all the best, do well. And grade 4, compared to the entire school, they have participated in n number of Olympiad exams. So they deserve a big round of applause. More participation from this grade 4. Okay, children, all the best.
Ready? Ready?
And the second. And the third prize goes to. Ashita Ruchika. They took the prizes home. So this is the cup for school, but to show you all. Sir, Bushkan and Aarti Gamya. Bushkan and Aarti Gamya. And the second prize goes to. And the second. And the
got bronze medal in International Olympiad of Math. Muskan got Devan Singh got certificate of participation in International Olympiad of Mathematics.
I request parents to come onto the dais.
ఉచ్చారణకు కావట్లేదు.
Request your friends. Next is I request parent to come onto the dais. Muskan. Give him a big round of applause. Riyan got gold. Jaidesh got participatory certificate.
Ready? Ready?
Harshavardhan. Jashvika. Lakshmi.
I kindly request grade 4 teachers for group photo. Neetu ma'am.
class. Today I am honored to share my experience with you all. First of all, I would like
Hey, you will get a medal, Ray. If you speak, you will get medal. Okay, prepare.
Teachers appreciation. I kindly request Gagana, one sentence. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Thank you of my teachers because they motivate me and for participating in any competition they used to tell me participate and they encouraged me. Thank you.
आओ निकली का ना आओ आओ
And the second prize goes to Karthik Ram.
Inter-school competition, we have a special prize distribution ceremony already held in Vivekananda. So they took the prizes home. So this is the cup for school, but to show you all.
And inter-school girl competition winners are Mushkan and Aarti Gamya. They won the first prize in Vigyan Vishwadaya School. And we kindly request parents to come out to the dance. Jaideep got participation certificate.
He got participation certificate from International Mathematics of Olympiad. Jaydesh got participation certificate from International Mathematics of Olympiad. For national level, shall we all wish them all the best? You have done, you have come. And you will bring some cup to Pragati Nagar, Geetanjali. Yes? National. Are you prepared?
Yes.
When is the exam? Means? Oh, yeah, I know you are so prepared. That's so excited. So we need not remind. Right? No reminders. Kept your hall ticket well, right? So all the best, do well. And grade 4, compared to the entire school, they have participated in n number of Olympiad exams. So they deserve a big round of applause. More participation from this grade 4. Okay, children, all the best.
Children in every activity participate. The motivation they are giving to the students and all is very appreciable. Special appreciation to the teachers. They need action. Thanks to principal also and class teachers and all. Teachers evaluate each and every children and they give feedback in PDM approximately like very good. रेयान सीनियर
हाँ।
रेयान इधर देखो रेयान फैजा इधर ए